1950 Plymouth Deluxe two-door sedan here at Unique, especially in classics. This is one of those cars going to need a little bit of TLC before you take her down the road too far, but it'll run and drive. We're going to have Jason drive it, show you how it drives out right now. I'll go over some of the details on that, and then drive it the way it is, and or maybe you want to take it to the next level. First of all, inline 6 power underneath the hood that's paired up with a manual transmission, 3-speed on the column. Let's take a look at the bright work up front. Headlights, surrounds, grille, bumper. Now, paint in the car does have a decent shine to it, as you can see. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, engine bay, interior, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Plymouth wheel covers, steel wheels, radial tires. One of the things the technician did note, front valve stems will need some attention. Slow leak, as well as the shocks. Fuel gauge is in out. Front turn signals will need a little work. Brakes are 60% in the front, 80% in the rear, and we'll end up needing wheel cylinders in the near future. Now, as far as the passenger side, you can see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Has a fabric interior, bent seat up front. We'll get around to the driver's side. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Jason will take it for a drive. We've had this car out running and driving, just kind of giving you a heads up on what it's going to need in the future. If you want to take it on some longer trips or cruises, your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. So we get a good look at the chrome on the rear bumper. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these older Plymouths, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, vehicles in them are available to purchase. See a little pitting, that rock guard, some light chips on the edge of the door. But again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches on this driver's side. And again, paint has a decent shine to it. Cool looking car with the visor. All right, get a good look at the door panels. Again, the seating surface is fabric. Didn't notice any rips or tears, anything major. A few light stains. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Smooth running car. Fires right up, very quiet also. Nice throttle response. Like I said earlier, if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. Stock looking dash. Headliner's good shape. Looks like it could be original. All right, let's listen. Smooth runner. And slip up to the front. Of course, that ship for a hood ornament. Kind of cool. Let me pop the hood and let's take a peek. All right, engine bay. This is a 12-volt system, by the way. There it is, single carb. Inline 6, plug-in light right along. Pretty quiet, pretty smooth. Once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726 if you're interested. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1950 Plymouth Deluxe. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. If you can drive a clutch, you can drive this easily. It shifts very nicely. Runs very smoothly and quietly. Our speedometer is working. The temperature gauge is reading a little over a quarter of the way up. That's also working. The amps are showing over halfway on the gauge, which means the battery is charging. Oil pressure is over 40. Now the fuel gauge is reading empty. I can't vouch for that one. The speedometer appears to be accurate. We're doing 50 and it feels like about 50 miles an hour. The blower motor works on this car as well. Very much looks like an original headliner. A lot of the door panel looks original, the seats. This car may be, in many ways, a survivor. Have a look for yourself at all the pictures. We take over 100 pictures of our cars. Nice, smooth road manners. May pull a little to the left when braking. Sometimes that kind of thing will go away the more you drive it. This has only gone a mile or two today. Very luxurious in the corners. This car is a soft ride. Now, this is a smooth paved road, but even if it was bumpy, I believe it would feel like a smooth road. That's how nice and soft this car rides. Simulated wood grain in the dash. Beautiful design from 1950. Check out all the pictures of this 1950 Plymouth Deluxe over at uniqueclassiccars.com.